Hello everyone. Today we'll see the week 2 assignment of Introduction to Internet of Things. Click on week 2 and go down to see the link. So here quiz week 2 assignment is there. Click on this. This is your week 2 assignment 2. First question is the full form of MQTT is message queue telephone transmission. Second option is message query telemetry transport, message queue telemedicine transport, and option D is none of these. So the correct answer is none of these, because the correct full form of MQTT is message queuing telemetry transport. Second question is which of the following is not a method in MQTT, and the option is D, that is all of these. Third question is which of the following is or are component of MQTT? Publishers, subscribers, brokers, all of these. So the answer is D. Fourth question is state whether the following statement is true or false. SMQTT is an extension of MQTT which uses lightweight attribute based encryption. It has 3 main stages. So whether this is true or false. So the answer is true. Fifth question is the OSI model has dash layers 6, 8, both A and B, none of these. So the answer is none of these, because the OSI model has 7 layers. Okay, so the answer is D. Next question is the 2 sublayers of CoAP are messaging and holding. Second option is messaging and backoff. Then messaging and tear down, none of these. So the answer is D, none of these, because the 2 sublayers of CoAP are messaging and response. Seventh question is what is the full form of AMQP in the context of IoT protocol? So here the answer is D, that is none of these, because the full form of AMQP is Advanced Message Queuing Protocol, and here all the options, that is A, B and C, are wrong. Eighth question is, this option is D, seventh one. Eighth question is XMPP uses dash architecture. So here it uses both publish, subscribe and client server architecture. So the option is C. How many message delivery guarantee modes are there in the AMQP protocol? So here the answer is B, that is there are 3 message delivering guarantee modes. 10th question is which of the following is or are not an AMQP frame type? So the answer is C, that is random. 11th question is state whether the following statement is true or false. So IEEE 802.15.5 was developed for low data rate monitoring and control applications and extended life low power communication uses. So we have to write whether this statement is true or false. So this statement is true. Which of the following is or are exchange types of AMQP? So here the answer is A, that is direct. 13th question is state whether the following statement is true or false. The IEEE 802.15.4 operates in ISM band, so it is true. 14th question is the networking topologies supported in the IEEE 802.15.4 are A, only star, star and mesh, only mesh, none of these. So the answer is B, that is both star and mesh. 15th question is state whether the following statement is true or false. Generation of route request by a loading router for discovering a route to a destination is valid operation of the loading routing protocol. So here the answer is B, it is true. Now submit the answers. So your week 2 assignment has been submitted. Okay. And the last date to submit the week 2 assignment is also 6th of August 2025. Both the dates for both the assignments, that is week 1 and week 2, are 6th of August 2025. Thank you.